Yes, hello, Anna. I'm at your street now. Okay, that black gate. Oh, okay. No matter, I'm coming. Hi, good evening.
Yeah, evening.
I'm looking for one Anna. She stays in this street. She used to be slim, fair in complexion, very beautiful. I met her on Facebook. I don't know if you know any Hannah that stays around this area.
Yes, I'm the Hannah.
What? Jesus!
Shedrack Michelle Abinego. Don't tell me that. Wait. Let me call the Hannah.
I told you. Baby, it's me now.
Jesus.
The Hannah I've been dating on Facebook.
I'm sure I'm not looking for any Hannah.
Baby, you say you love me. Baby, it's me, Hannah.
I don't know any Hannah at this place. I'm looking for gifts. Sure, no. Don't. You're not any Hannah.
Baby, come.
No, you're not any Hannah.
This is me now, Hannah. On Facebook. Baby, it's me, Hannah, on Facebook.
Who is Hannah?
Thanks for watching that funny video. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Just subscribe. Please subscribe. Good luck.